How to remove threads badge on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your threads badge on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you recently just happened to join threads, and then let's say that whenever you come to the profile page you find a random number after @ button, it says 1456 blah 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 and so on. That is just a series of the count on which you actually join threads. So that is the count of which you join threads. That is the number of people that has joined so far, and you were on that number, right? And if that badge is quite annoying for you, you want to remove it, it is very simple, because whenever you've been given that sort of option or that badge, what you have to do is, as you can see in my case, I've already removed it as well. You have to just tap on that badge, and when you tap on that badge you'll be given an option called hide badge or show badge. So if you want to hide it, you can tap the hide badge option and the badge will get successfully forever removed from your Instagram profile. This way you can remove threads badge on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.